Hello and welcome to my channel. It has been at least 9 months since I posted a video. And just know life has been lifing. My life is completely different than how it was before. I may get into a little bit later. But in today's video, we're cleaning the home. I'm hosting a pool party tomorrow. So we're just getting the house ready for that. If you need some cleaning motivation, stick with me. Very soon, I'm going to be transforming my daughter's room from blah to girly glam, and this package here was the key to that transformation. I can't wait to share it with you guys. I purchased this watermelon from Aldi the other day, and I'm really anxious to cut it open and taste it. It is May, the end of May. Do you think it's too early to buy watermelons? And if it's not, where are you getting the sweet watermelons? The ones that are good, juicy, firm, and sweet. Hello again, I am Morgan Scott. I am a mother of 2 small children, recently divorced. I'm also a pharmacist, and I'm one that loves to be home. I love staying at home. I'm a homebody. And I also want to make sure my home is clean and comfortable for my family. I enjoy posting content, me around my home, cleaning, decorating, and gardening. If you enjoy content like that, please subscribe. I would love to have you. And subscribers, thank you for the support. comes to sweeping, I prefer the traditional broom and dustpan. I prefer the broom because I can get in hard to reach areas, and also I can sweep or brush harder in areas that need it. This plant my mother gifted me for Mother's Day is called a Calabrochua lily bubble gum. I probably butchered that, but it's not thriving. I'm reading the easy care tips and it says it requires full sun and to keep the soil evenly moist. Since it's not thriving, it's probably not getting full sun. I'm gonna move that outdoors. But what I'm working on now, I bought that, I guess it's a candle holder, but I'm using it as a plant holder from a local thrift store for $5. And I purchased some plants, and as you can see, there's holes at the bottom. So I was gonna water it up there, but that would have made a mess. So I'm gonna take that to the kitchen sink and I'm going to water those plants so they can stay alive. I am so proud of all the little plants in my home. These two plants here that I have on this chest were my centerpieces a while ago, but they outgrew the space, so I decided to hang them up there to give a different kind of naturey like contrast over there, and I like how that looks. So I'm just going to take the time to pull those down and water those plants. Eventually, for my centerpiece, I'm looking to find some herbs. I'm thinking maybe I'll use some basil, and I like cilantro. So that's what I'm going to use to replace that plant that I mentioned earlier my mom got me for Mother's Day on the scale. So I'm either get thyme, cilantro, or basil to put on that scale. Now I'm in the dining room. I am going to take my time to clean this area. Even though it's an outdoor pool party, someone may want to enjoy their meal here in the dining room. So I'm going to go ahead and polish the tables with some Old English, and then I'm going to place my table mats that I recently washed on the table. Eventually, I do want to elevate the look in this space in the dining room. I just don't know which direction I want to go with that. I was thinking maybe some gold plates on top of the table mats and maybe those decorative napkins people use. I'm not really sure. I don't know. But for now, I just want to make sure the table is clean and I put my mats that I already have on the table. Any suggestions? If you have any suggestions on how to elevate the look in this space in the dining room, please leave it in the comments. So I'm having a party back here tomorrow, and I just want to take the time, it's been raining a lot, and I just want to take the time to blow this area off so when it's wet tomorrow, at least this debris and trash won't be everywhere. And I'm proud to show you the patio. I'll take you around so you can see, or I may do it in another video, just kind of show you what I did around the patio. But the focus tonight is just to blow it off so I can be ready for the party tomorrow. It's going to be back here. So let's get blowing. Y'all, I wish I knew how to zoom in at this moment, but I was blowing over there by the door and some kind of flying bug landed on my glasses and I was shaking it off and I almost panicked, but then I realized I was on camera. If you made it this far in the video, I just want to take some time to say thank you for the support. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching. Your support means so much to me. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Subscribers, thanks for the support. Until the next video, have a good one.